If you're trying to decide between the Insta360 X4, the X5, and the upcoming Insta360 X6, understanding the actual differences is essential before you drop your hard-earned cash. While older models are solid, the rumored X6 is rewriting the rules of Pocket 360 video, and the upgrades are massive. Let's talk about the biggest hardware leap, the sensor. The Insta360 X4 relies on a half-inch sensor, and the X5 stepped it up with a 1/28-inch sensor for better dynamic range. But the upcoming X6 is rumored to pack a massive 1-inch sensor into a consumer body. This allows the camera to pull in drastically more light, crush image noise, and deliver breathtaking low-light performance whether you're shooting nightscapes, indoor spaces, or golden hour sunsets. Looking at the glass, the X4 features a slightly wider f/1.9 aperture, while both the X5 and X6 utilize an f/2.0 aperture. But don't let the numbers fool you. The massive physical size of the X6's sensor more than makes up for that minor aperture difference, pairing with advanced image processing to deliver cleaner, sharper, and significantly more natural footage. In single lens mode, all three cameras handle 4K at 60 FPS, turning them into traditional action cams. However, the X6 leverages its larger sensor and next-gen AI processing for richer colors and wider dynamic range. For photography, while all three top out at 72 megapixels, the X6's hardware captures finer edge details and preserves highlights far better in harsh contrast. One of the most exciting professional features rumored for the X6 is 10-bit color recording. While the X4 and X5 are limited to 8-bit, 10-bit color captures billions of shades for seamless gradients and ultimate color grading flexibility. Backing this up is an upgraded triple-chip AI engine, driving faster processing, sharper HDR, and advanced noise reduction while maintaining a stable 200 megabits per second bitrate. Power and durability continue to evolve. The X4 features a 2,290 mAh battery. The X5 bumps it to 2,400 mAh, and the X6 pushes capacity to 2,550 mAh for longer shoot times. Remarkably, even with the larger battery and massive 1-inch sensor, the X6 weighs just 206 grams, virtually identical to its predecessors. Plus, water resistance gets a major boost to 15 meters, matching the X5 for worry-free surfing and snorkeling. Leaked retail packaging gives us a complete look at the Essentials bundle, packing an extra extreme battery, charging case, and an invisible selfie stick alongside an apparent extended warranty. Physical leaks also reveal a shorter, more compact body redesign, making it significantly smaller than traditional 360 competitors while keeping the signature dual-lens setup pocket-friendly. Pricing-wise, leaks point to the standard X6 launching around €689, with the Essentials bundle hitting €789, about a €100 bump over the previous generation. If you're on a budget, the X4 is still a fantastic entry point. But if you demand pro-tier low-light performance, 10-bit color, and 8K at 50 FPS, the Insta360 X6 is shaping up to be the undisputed king of consumer 360 cameras.